The Proudest Blue, a story of hijab and family, written by Ibtihaj Muhammad, with Hatem Aly, art by Hatem Aly. Mama holds out the pink. Mama loves pink. But Asiya shakes her head. I know why. Behind the counter is the brightest blue, the color of the ocean if you squint your eyes and pretend there's no line between the water and the sky. It's the first day hijab. Asiya knows it. I know it. We're sisters. The next day, I wait. A new backpack, new light-up shoes. I feel special. I feel like twirling. Asiya comes out of the house, and I stop. It's the most beautiful first day of school ever. I'm walking with a princess, so I pretend I'm one too, but even princesses have to stop to cross the street. Asiya takes my hand in hers. Come on, Faizah. We speed walk it. 14 steps, 14 light-ups to get across. Asiya takes me to my line first, hugs me goodbye. I turn to watch her leave, give a little curtsy to the princess going to the 6th grade area. She's easy to see. Her hijab smiles at me the whole way. My first day hijab is going to be blue too. What's that on your sister's head? The girl in front of me whispers. A scarf, I whisper back. I don't know why a whisper came out. I try again, louder now. A scarf, hijab. Oh, she whispers. Asiya's hijab isn't a whisper. Asiya's hijab is like the sky on a sunny day. The sky isn't a whisper. It's always there, special and regular. The first day of wearing hijab is important, Mama had said. It means being strong. I turn, but I can't see the blue anymore. I run to the big kid's side. 27 steps to see Asiya. I need to give her another hug. I need to see her smile. Faizah. Asiya's eyes wonder why I'm here. Are you excited, I ask, about the first day of hijab? She nods, smiling big, and I feel better. Someone laughs from nearby, a boy pointing at Asiya. Why? Asiya's hijab isn't a laugh. Asiya's hijab is like the ocean waving to the sky. It's always there, strong and friendly. Some people won't understand your hijab, Mama had said. But if you understand who you are, one day they will too. In class, I draw a picture. 2 princesses in hijab having a picnic on an island where the ocean meets the sky. The girl who whispered in line said she likes it. She says it's so loud, the teacher comes over to see it. I wonder if Asiya drew a picture too. Recess time is for 5 cartwheels in a row. I land the last one near the 6th graders, near Asiya and her friends, near a boy yelling, I'm going to pull that tablecloth off your head. Asiya's hijab isn't a tablecloth. Asiya's hijab is blue. Only blue. Asiya turns away. Her friends turn away. They race to the middle of the playground, their shoes pounding the pavement, playing tag. Mama, don't carry around the hurtful words that others say. Drop them. They are not yours to keep. They belong only to those who said them. It takes me 48 steps to get away from the yelling boy. After school, I look around. I look for whispers, laughs, and shouts. But I only see Asiya, waiting for me, like it's a regular day. She's smiling, strong. We cross the road hand in hand. I can't wait to get home, to show Mama the picture I drew, to show Asiya that I'm wearing the same hijab in it. Because Asiya's hijab is like the ocean and the sky. No line between them. Saying hello with a loud wave. Saying I'll always be here. Like sisters. Like me and Asiya.
Hey there, friendly readers. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, please click on the button below where you can donate, or you can email me your own family-friendly animations, virtual field trips, guest teachers, history lessons, tutorials, or read-alouds for everyone to see, share, and be a part of the community. So please go to StoryJ Storytime, and I'll see you next time.